go! First qualification of today, ending auto, we are looking at teams competing to grab as many fuel as they can. Red Alliance over here at 10 and 6941 shooting higher biggest time. And over here the 9597 doing the exact same thing. Now the countdown. We are starting with the red advantage, so that means after 10 seconds, the blue is going to have their first shift. 6941 stuck on the rope. Both of their teammates are here to rescue. Over here, the blue third shift, 9597 shooting high up, a stream of yellow fuel. 6941 fueling up and 10711 collecting as many fuels as they can. And go into the trench to try to make it at this shift. As they finish, two robots shooting at the blue. They are scoring 90 over here at their shift. And moving up to red. 6941 shooting. That's a lot of scoring. Blue beating and 6986 trying to make its way back. Sending as many fuel back to its partner as they can. And we're over here at the blue ship, two robots, 10711, making first attempt and succeeding. 9597, stuck but making its way out. First match of the day ended quite exciting. We are staring at 141 and 123, but the shift is about to end, and if the Reds going to catch up, 6941, a little bit too quick, a little bit too slow, but it's adjusting and it's making it. That 6986 trying to do a little bit of defense, but bumping and stopping for a few seconds, but that's okay. All the robots are mobile. This is pretty exciting. And 30 seconds for the Indians. We know that what that means, that is shift for both alliances. 9597 shooting 6941 doing the exact same thing. We're staring at 193 versus 177. Anything can happen any minute now. With just 9 seconds on the clock. 41 versus 10711 and